If you want to keep your air conditioner running smooth, understanding all AC parts is key, especially that run capacitor. It's like the battery that helps the condenser motor get going and stay going. So, a run capacitor stores electrical charge and gives the motor a boost when it starts, and while it's running, kinda like a little energy helper. It's usually round and flat, sitting right on the outside condenser unit. If this part starts acting up, your AC might struggle to kick on or make weird noises. To check it, you don't want to mess with it unless you know what you're doing, but pros can test the microfarads rating to see if it's still holding charge right. When it goes bad, the motor can overheat or just not run efficiently, which means higher electric bills and less cool air. Replacing a run capacitor isn't crazy expensive either, usually under $100 plus some labor. Keeping it clean and dry helps it last longer because moisture or rust can kill it fast. If your AC's tripping breakers or humming but not starting, that capacitor could be the culprit. One of the biggest mistakes people make with run capacitors is ignoring early warning signs like slow startup or buzzing sounds, which usually means it's failing and needs swapping out before things get worse. Another common issue is trying to replace it themselves without the right tools or knowledge, leading to shocks or damaging other parts. Definitely better left to pros. Thirdly, using a capacitor with the wrong microfarad rating can mess with your AC's performance and lifespan, so always match the specs exactly when replacing. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't rip you off. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get more work and grow your business by reaching folks who actually need your skills.